it's raining in Plano, Texas. And while this is a water-stressed region of the U.S. with an average rainfall of less than 38 inches a year, sometimes it feels like all those inches are coming down at once. That's why Toyota has created an innovative way to use this rainwater at our new 100-acre state-of-the-art campus. These cisterns, located within the parking garages, collects and holds up to 400,000 gallons of rainwater, which is used to irrigate the native Texas plants that make up the campus landscape.
Between the harvesting of the water, between collecting the solar power, bringing in the appropriate native species of plant, it all ties together to create an environment that is inviting.
I'm so excited about the future of this campus because I think it's a great chance for us to really show our team members who maybe aren't as familiar with environmental sustainability concepts, how these concepts can really be integrated into our daily lives.
The master irrigation system is quite sophisticated, balancing and utilizing over 12 miles of piping to distribute the rainwater around the campus for landscaping, which keeps our native green spaces beautiful without putting additional drain on the local drinking water. Want to know more about our efforts conserving and protecting water resources? Visit the water section of this year's environmental report.